I've never seen a company event like this.
The future is all about success factory, the way we gonna rock.
This is the first company which I found so ethical and so transparent.
Un'azienda molto seria e molto trasparente.
La legalidad, la transparencia que muestra esta empresa.
Success Factory sounds so good.
Learning from the best is very important, because if you learn from the best, you become the best.
Company every time hiring the greatest trainer in the world.
Tiene los líderes y los mentores que me pueden llegar al siguiente nivel a nivel mundial.
Con una leadership di questo genere so che possiamo fare veramente grandissimi risultati.
Different attitude, different way of working.
The developments, the news.
El profesionalismo de la compañía.
The trainings is very on a high level.
If you want different results, you have to make different choices.
L'azienda giusta, il progetto giusto.
But your success is a choice.
Vision and the goals and the plans of this company are so far unbelievable and credible.
The company is here to stay, but we are definitely also here to stay to make it big.
See their integrity, what their plans are for the future for Success Factory.
In the future, it will be bigger and bigger.
The newsies, the trainings.
Everything fits, it feels like I'm part of an amazing project.
There's so many people that can benefit from this technology, from this DAG coin, and the knowledge of the company is growing.
Learning about education.
SkillX, where you can become the one destined to be.
And I want SkillX to be able to help you.
We learned a lot. We meet a lot of good friends.
This is one team.
Es una realidad tremenda la cual no te puedes perder por nada del mundo. Everything that has been promised has been made.
We are here for the long term.
Gran liderazgo corporativo y sobre todo una proyección para los próximos años de nuestra compañía.
We all belong to the community of successful thinking.
They were excited to see what is coming, and I feel that they really saw what we see in the future.